All right. Yeah. Ah, for me, it's, I think that. Oh, yes. Beautiful, still warm. And you can feel it. This small community showed me how important is support to each other, occasion that we can gather together, or movie nights here in the winter especially. And for me, bread was one of these things that I can also like share from my part, like to give something here in a very remote place. Yeah. I was just missing bread. Basically, I'm Polish, so I needed to have a proper bread. And I did it. And I shared this with people. And here we go. To have this connection through food. I think that I'm quite shy person generally, but this opens also doors for me, let's say. Yeah. So I was doing this at home using normal oven that we have. But of course it takes forever in the morning. It's amazing because I needed to wake up very early to do that and I have a full-time job. So I'm amazed actually with myself that I was doing this, like, or walking here in deep snow in the morning. I a little bit was shy at the beginning with taking some money, or I was like, it's not like what I'm doing this for. It's just to see how I feel. Maybe it will grow. I think I did one action before the oven. I was collecting money for Ukrainian people when the war just started. So I think I did that at the beginning. And then I was like, okay, this works amazingly. So maybe I can actually collect money for the oven. And I was just posting on Facebook, okay, guys, if you want to like support me, let's do it on the like, I will buy the oven thanks to it and I can be able to bake it, get the better bread really, with the crust, you know, like, yeah. They were taking one bread or maybe bread and some sweet pastries, but they were leaving me with like a lot of money, totally not, you know, equivalent of what they took. And I was like, oh, okay. And I was informing them every week when I was baking how much money I already gathered of the oven. So yeah. It was really, really kind of satisfying when I was like, wow, I can do that. Also here. Yeah.